Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, like today, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, if you enjoy my content, please take a second to do the thumbs up. That's right underneath this video. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping me grow on the YouTube platform. And I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right, we're going to do two parts to this video. One, it's the end of the day, and as you know, I work and it's very hard to try to do everything and get all the information out to you. But I have two things. One, Boxycharm is running some new deals for this week that I want to go through with you. They're daily deals. And at the same time, I sat down with my brother to see if there was something we can do for the President's Day week, because everyone's running these deals all over the place, and I wanted to do something for you guys as well. So we're going to do the Boxycharm first, and then I'm going to tell you what the special deal is going to be on the Improving Lifestyles website, which is the business that I have with my brother. And I think it's a great deal, so I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out on that as well. So let's start off first with the Boxycharm deal, because their deals are daily deals, and we have to, it's because this is already going to be posted a little bit later in the day, probably closer to the dinner time. I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out on it. So they're saying that they now have some daily deals that are going to run from the 15th to the 17th. It's still during pop-up. So pop-up, what they end up doing is, let me see, there's a little bit of interference. Let me see if I can get this fixed. During the pop-up sales, you have your $25 minimum for free shipping. Otherwise, they charge you $5. When I quote this, I'm quoting for the USA. All right. So the first deals that they have for the mega daily deals is for Monday, February 15th. And this is these new deals that they never showed before. And what they did was they paired up a couple of things. So for Milk Makeup, they paired up the Clear Brow, which I've heard fantastic reviews about, and the Lash Primer, which I use and really enjoy. Two of them for $10, which I think is fantastic. So you're going to get one of the gel and one of the primer. The other one is for MAC lipsticks. The lowest prices I have ever seen were the ones that were $4 for a MAC. This, they're giving you two for $4, but it's these two colors. The Tropic Tonic, which I think I've already purchased in one of the previous sales, and now they're including it with this Flat Out Fabulous. Next is from Glow Recipe. I've only had the opportunity to try the Spritz, and it is fantastic. And then I've heard good reviews about this cleansing balm. So both are Glow Recipe, and you're getting both for $22. And you can see the retail prices, if you would purchase this on their own, would be $60 in the retail world. Next to it, they have from Grown Alchemist and Elemis, both of these fantastic products, and for both $14. The next is from Farsali and Levito. The Farsali I have used, not this specific elixir, but another one, and I really, really enjoyed it. And I do also enjoy the Levito. So these are two fantastic brands that they put together, and that's $12 for that combo. The next that they have is from Tula Skincare and Kate Somerville, the So Pumpkin Exfoliator Sugar Scrub, as well as the Kate Somerville Daily Foam Cleanser. These two are very expensive brands with fantastic ingredients, and there are two of them for $15, which is fantastic. Next, they have my daily dose of Uplift as well as Glow. Those are those two serums. And then those are from Skin Inc. And this other product is also from Skin Inc., which I'm not familiar with at all. And that is for all three, $74.99. Right next to it, they have from Ren Clean Skincare and Bliss, the Perfect Canvas Clean Gel oil. I'm not familiar with that one at all. And the Green Tea Wonder Overnight Gel Mask, but both of these together for $9. I did receive a Ren Clean product in one of my Trend Mood boxes, so I know it is a very expensive brand, and Bliss is a brand that I've enjoyed. So for $9, I think that's fantastic too. Now Tuesday, they have the Buy Two Save Big, and this they have from Pharmacy, the Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. If you have not tried this, this is a really beautiful product, and 2 of them for $15 is amazing. Love Script, another one. I just started using this last night and I'm enjoying it. And to get both of them for $12, I think is an absolute steal. This Malin and Gotez, I've heard fantastic things about it, and it's also a really expensive line. So if you enjoy treatment oils, this is a really good price for 2 of them, $25. The Murad Hydrating Toner, I already stocked up on this on the previous sale, and this is even better, I think, than what I paid. And this is the Buy 2 for $12, which is fantastic. Cores, I've told you guys about this. This is another one that I just stocked up on the previous sale, and I'm kicking myself because I cannot believe these deals. It's the Wild Rose Night Brightening Sleeping Facial. This is a really nice product, and you get 2 for $25. Same thing here, this Glow Recipe. I stocked up on this one, and this one is their Retinol Sleeping Face Mask, another one that's really nice, and this is $25. And Glow Recipe always comes in these gorgeous glass jars that are just fantastic. Beside it, I just used this today for the first time. This is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. It's also a really nice product. 2 of them for $25. Then from Milk Makeup, we have the Milk. These are mini vegan milk cleansers. I have not tried this, but I am so impressed with this Milk Makeup brand. And for 2 of them, $10. And then from Touch and Soul, they have the Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. And this one is in my area where I've got to try it. So I can't give you my update on it, but I do enjoy everything that I've tried from Touch and Soul. And you try both of them for $15. So I think that's amazing. Then they have a BOGO deal on Wednesday, February 17th. And this is 2 Avon Skincare, their daily moisturizer. Avon Skincare is a very expensive. The ingredients on this are beautiful. And you definitely see results with this product. So to be able to try 2 of these for $9, I think is insane. Then Crown Brushes, 2 sets of brushes for $6. Dr. Brandt, this is another one that I'm in the middle of testing out right now, and this is the antioxidant spray toner, 2 for $9. Dr. Brandt, it's crazy. This is another one that I highly recommend to all you guys from Ofra Cosmetics. It is one of my favorite banana powders. And this, you're getting 2 for $9, which is crazy because I just also stocked up on this last month as well. Butter London Melt Away Cuticle Exfoliator. I'm not familiar with that, but Butter London is a really nice brand. And to get 2 for $6, I have no words. This is blowing me away. Frank Body Glow Mask. Not familiar with that, but that's $9. Then from Glam Glow, which is another fantastic brand. There are some sheet masks where you buy 2 for $5, and then right beside it, they have the sheet eye mask. Really exciting. So that's what's going on this week at Boxycharm. So now let's talk what we're planning on doing on improving lifestyles. So I will leave the link down below, but I'm just going to show you guys what you're going to need to do. So this is not going anywhere else. So it's everyone who watches this video are the ones that are going to know about this. So when you go on Improving Lifestyles website, and you go to the shop area right here. Let me see if I can get it so that you guys can see what I see. Okay, so let me start again. You're on Improving Lifestyles. You go to the shop area. This is what will pop up, Collections. You click on Collections, and you will see the accessories here with all the gorgeous scarves. You click on Accessories, and the deal is going to be solely on the scarves. It's because of what's going on with the weather that we're seeing in Florida. This is our way of saying we want you to stay warm. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose your primary color that you want. So let's say you're choosing the white scarf. So it is ticked off white. You could tick off gray, you could tick off pink, or you could tick off tan. So I'm going to stick with the white one, and then you're going to add it to your cart. Right here is where the special instructions are. In here, you are going to write the word BOGO, B-O-G-O, and you are going to put the secondary color that you want in this area here. This is only going to be running until Saturday midnight on the 20th of this week, February 20th of 2021. So like I said, this is a secret deal that's for everybody that is listening and watching this video tonight. We are doing this for the whole week. So it is starting as soon as you see this video get posted, and it's running to Saturday the 20th. So what you have to do under the special instructions, you're going to write BOGO, and you're going to choose your second color that you want. Give us a third option, because if things sell out, we're going to go to your second option. All right? So once again, it's really simple. You go on to Improving Lifestyle's website, you choose the shop right at the beginning, and then you choose collection, and then you choose accessories. It brings you to this page. You choose your color, you choose add to cart, and then you write the word BOGO here. We are going to then, you're going to see that the total is going to stay $18.99, and then we are going to make sure that you you get the color that you choose, and we will be doing these manually, so you'll be able to see everything when we get your order out. All right, so once again, everybody, I wanted to share that with you, and I wanted to share with you this exciting news that we decided to do. Because of all these deals that were coming down, we wanted to know what we would be able to do and share with you guys. And as you know, it's free shipping across the USA. That's what we're set up to do. So once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me. Everybody right now, continue to stay safe. Really, really excited to be able to share this deal with you. And leave the notes in the comments about any of these deals that you're really excited about. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.